Hello and welcome to the gaming test of the new ROG Phone 5s Pro. Yes, the one that we have here is the Pro version, and we'll start off with Genshin Impact at the highest graphical settings. And obviously this phone is gonna heat up, so let's take a look at how it actually performs under high load. So as you can see here, the phone can easily reach about 52 degrees Celsius, and in this particular scene, it drops to about 43-ish to 45 FPS, which I think is kind of similar to the ROG Phone 5 from earlier this year with the Snapdragon 888 instead of the 888 Plus. But we'll have a comparison between the Snapdragon 888 and the 888 Plus coming soon. And then for PUBG Mobile, it also has the 90 FPS option, so we'll just go with that. And as you know, PUBG Mobile isn't exactly an optimized game, so we can only use smooth graphical settings, which barely use the GPU and CPU at all.
Marked a location.
For COD Mobile, we can go to ultra frame rates, but then it is stuck in medium graphical quality. So we don't have any choice and we'll just stick with these.
Hardpoint identified. It's too close. Fight harder. Enemy in sight. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. We've taken the lead. Let's go. Hardpoint identified. Contact with enemy. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Targets in sight.
And that's all of the gaming tests that we have to show for the ROG Phone 5S Pro. We'll also have a comparison soon between the ROG Phone 5 with the Snapdragon 888 against this phone, the ROG Phone 5S Pro with the Snapdragon 888 Plus. Stay tuned for that, remember to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.